When I was little, I loved flowers. All types of flowers, even blue ones, red ones, green ones, even blue ones. They're all special to me. When I was little, I wondered why people loved flowers so much. What's the point in them? So when I was older, I read some books. Because when I was little, I could only memorize the ABCs. Okay, so here it goes. From ancient time till now, 21st century and in the further centuries, flowers have been playing the vital role in our life. Indeed, we can say that there's a close relationship between flowers and human beings. Flowers are considered pure and auspicious, as people used them to worship God in the olden days. They are used for decoration. Well, like whenever I'm in a bad mood, they always cheer me up too. It's like I don't really know why, but I just love their scent. I just love their everything. And on Mother's Day and Father's Day, I always want to give it to my loved ones, like my mother and my father and my grandma and my grandparents. I remember in a book it said by someone, flowers are the sweetest things God ever made and forgot to put a soul in it, sadly. It basically means flowers are like really pretty creatures, but God forgot to put a soul in it. Basically, it forgot to make it move and make it like live and not just be a plant sitting there and moving around in the wind. I want to show you a little bit background of myself. This is the younger sister in the JAG family. I started to learn drawing at the age of 2. At the beginning, I used crayon, colored pencils, and marker. From last year when I was 7, my sister taught me how to use Procreate, and Procreate is a graphics and drawing app for digital painting. When I started drawing this, I just wanted to draw something realistic, and what's that better than a Procreate flower? Of course, it's a Procreate flower in Procreate because, well, you can make it unique, just like humans. As I said, God forgot to make a soul in it. Well, right now I want to show you a Procreate girl. See, this is what it looks like. So basically, first I made a small sketch. I blended the hair together so she looks pretty, and then I made her flower so it makes her expression she's smelling a flower, and then I made her dress and other things. I put a bunch of flowers in the background so I guess it just looks pretty. Here goes it again. I decided if that girl is spring, I guess this girl is, well, snowy day, you know? So, I wanted to make Elsa, and I guess it kind of looks like Elsa. I'm not too sure. I basically draw her hair, and I didn't like how the snow she was blasting out the color, so I decided to make a new one like this. So first, I drew this girl, and I made a small sketch like usual. I made her dress and made her really pretty. Then I made her hair. It took me quite a long time since her hair is pretty long. And then I made her crown, which is turquoise, and her eyelashes, which is really long. And then I made the background color kind of bluish, and then her skin's white since, you know, she's like a snow princess. And then I made like her dress. I used a special brush. Since I didn't really know that much brushes, I just wanted to explore. And then I drew a tiny flower. But I decided the hair kind of sucks, so I made now. The background story about this is she never saw a real living thing. this is the first thing that she saw, and it was a flower, and then it warmed her frozen heart. Hope y'all like it. So I drew this girl with flowers, and I hope you all like it, and thanks for watching. If you like our content, please make sure to click the subscribe, like, and share button and leave a comment down below.